Hey, to the whole world again. It's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of my life programming school, which I used to call Manique School. Okay. Anyways, this is the problem on hand, you guys, with doing exercise 3.1. However, since I've already given you a solution, the first solution, there's absolutely no need for me to read through the whole question again. Okay, you can pause the video, read it through yourself. Okay, I'm not planning to. Okay, now that hopefully you did see what is required of us, time for me to jump onto my IDE. You see, on this solution here, I'll be referring to the previous solution I gave you guys. And if you did not check that out, you don't have much of a choice but to go back and see it yourself. Okay, there are certain things that I want you guys to know. Okay, and the first one is we are allowed to do this. Okay, I've got that out of the way now. I could have used b times b there, and what else? To begin with, maybe it's better I tell you guys what is it that I don't like about this program. You see on this part over here, we do know that our discriminant is 0. So by doing that, we computing a square root of 0, which we of course know will result in 0. So we can get rid of that portion there. And then, and then simply be left out with minus b over 2a. Which happen to be the x-coordinates of a turning point in a quadratic function. Anyways, this is no math class, you guys. We're doing programming here. Okay, so now that I have done that, you see there's a pattern here, you guys. You see this portion here is repeated in all 3 conditions. So we can get rid of them by going. I know it might not make much of a difference in this example per se, but the idea of grouping repeated code plays a huge role in programming, you guys. We're gonna get there. You will see what I mean by that once we get to methods. Okay, so what I wanna do is to simply go, after I've calculated my discriminant, I wanna display stem.out.print the system has. I'll then get rid of that portion there. And then I'll get rid of that one there. And that one as well. Okay, as you can see, you guys, now our solution is a little bit cleaner. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial. But before I close it, you guys, it's better for me to show you that we do something that works as we expected. Okay, So I'll simply go. Remember the input that we're supposed to put in order to get the same results. We'll have to go 1. It's 1.03 and 1. 1.0 is the same as 1 though. So again, we're getting precisely what we expected. That number there. Now let's try 1, 2.0 and then 1. 1, 2.0 and then 1. Again, we're getting 1, which is precisely what we expected. Now finally, let's try 1, 2, 3 and see what we get. Remember, you guys, we are at liberty to put whatever we please. It's not like these are the only cases we should check out. I can try other numbers as well, such as okay, that was just the random numbers, you guys. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Again, you shouldn't miss the point. It's not about how great my solution is, nor is it about whether or not it works. You might know scenarios or rather cases where a particular solution that I happen to give you guys happen not to work. Alright, or it could give a logical error, it could give whatever this is it that I did not anticipate. But that doesn't mean, you guys, you should go out there and spread rumors. I keep saying this because people have been doing it, especially on YouTube, you guys. Like, I've heard a couple of people telling me things. You know haters, right? That's what they do. The naysayers, that's what they do. There's no way in hell you can do something that everyone would adore. Okay, so there's always gonna be an opposing force. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.